Today's lesson, we're going to talk about chords. More specifically, let's talk about triads. A triad is a 3-note chord. So you're going to have, with your right hand, it makes a lot of sense to use the fingers 1, 3, and 5. Because you land on the root, the 3rd, and the 5th. So I'm playing a C major chord right now. If I want to play with my left hand, I still need to play a root, a 3rd, and a 5th. But as you see, I'm not playing C with my thumb, I'm playing with my pinky. So keep in mind, it's root, 3rd, 5th to make a triad. If I want to make a triad in F major, well, I can figure it out pretty easily. The root is the bottom note. I skip number 2, so I'm at number 3, that's the 3rd. And then the 5th, root, 3rd, 5th. So take a moment, try to figure out G major's chord. You definitely have G. The 3rd is going to be B. And the 5th will be D. So we have C major, root, 3rd, 5th. F major, root, 3rd, 5th. G major, root, 3rd, 5th. That was broken. I'm going to play those chords hands together, solid. C major, F major, G major. Why don't you try just with your left hand? See if you can do all 3 in a row. Now try with your right hand. We're going to try hands together and we're going to go nice and slow. If you found that tricky, sometimes it's easier to do it broken. So we're going hands together. It goes nice and slow. Okay, I think we've got this now. So why don't we play it one more time with just our left hand. I'm going to try to play something different with my right hand. Just the letter C. Okay, we're going to think about this. We played a C major chord, C, E, G. We played an F major chord, F, A, C. Both those chords have the letter C. But G major does not. So when we play this chord, we need to change our note from C to something next door. I can go up from C to D, or I can go down from C to B. Let's try to see what happens when we press D. Not bad. When we play B, not bad. Let's try to put it all together. One more time. Very good. If you're at the point where you can play these 3 chords hands together, or you can play something with your right hand and something with your left hand, you might be ready to start trying to play some songs. So as we go further, we're going to learn on some nicer chord combinations and how to play a melody on top.